Is he funny? Is he funny? Where are you going? Walker. Are you gonna go get in your crib? Hello! Walker, who is it? It's Panda! Walker. Walker. Hello, Walker. It's Panda. Panda wants you to come here and bring the horse. Oh! So, you have a horse? You brought me a horse? Oh, you want to read all your books? Okay. Woo! He loves to read. Okay, signing off. Walker Bears.